direction, a place to be. High on emotions, just you and me. So like the fire deep inside, it doesn't matter where we're going. We're going. Ultraviolet deep desires, I just wanna see it glowing. It's glowing, you know. These days are golden, golden, and our hearts won't be broken, broken, we'll stay forever young. Just hold on the line, hold on the line. These days are golden, golden, and our hearts won't be broken, broken, we're dreaming with our eyes wide open, hoping to know.
はい、こんにちは。元気ですか皆さん。So today is A2 levels vocabulary and sentences, okay? So today is 季節 season. Now it's winter. Are you cold? 寒いですか I'm a little bit cold. ちょっと寒いです。はい。そんな感じですが、はい。季節 season. 冬 is winter. 春 is spring. 夏 is summer. 秋 is fall. Okay. 漢字 is not A2 level, but yes, vocabulary is definitely this is A2 level, and let's make the sentences. Okay. So, 東京の冬は少し寒いです。東京の冬は少し寒いです。So, what does it mean? Tokyo, winter. So, winter in Tokyo, 少し a little bit 寒いです。cold. Okay? A little bit. You can say ちょっと also. ちょっと少し寒いです。少し is a little bit more formal, and ちょっと is casual. Okay? So, but it's meaning a same. A little means 少し寒いです。ちょっと寒いです。Okay? So, 東京の冬 winter in Tokyo. Or this is different sentences. Okay? どの季節が好きですか好きですか Do you remember this? 好きですか is do you like? Do you like? That's so important. Do you like? 好きですかどの季節 Which season? Which season do you like? Okay? どの季節が好きですか If you say do you like, please use this particle が Okay? Then, the last one 夏が大好きです Very simple sentence 夏 Summer が is this particle same When you say I like or I love, you will use this particle が大好きです means I love music 音楽が大好きです I love anime アニメが大好きです So this is I love summer means Okay So important 季節 Which season do you like? And 冬東京の冬東京の春東京の夏東京の秋Fall in Tokyo, summer in Tokyo, spring in Tokyo, winter in Tokyo. Okay? And I love summer. I love winter. Okay? So try to make the sentences. A2 level is you can introduce yourself with the verbs. Okay? So 頑張りましょう. Let's do our best.